Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install R and RStudio in a Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. Now before installing R and RStudio, let us first understand what the software basically does. R is basically a programming language which is mainly used by statisticians for statistical computing. And also this is widely used among data miners for developing statistical software and data analysis. So let us see how to download and install R and RStudio in a Windows 10 operating system. So for that you need to first go to your favorite browser, and in here you need to just simply type R download for Windows, then enter, and then you'll be seeing this cran.r-project.org is basically our first search result. So you need to just simply click on this download R 4.0.5 for Windows. So just simply click on that. This will automatically going to open this official website of R programming language. So you'll be getting this link called download R 4.0.5 for Windows. So just simply click on that. This will automatically going to start downloading R 4.0.5. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it, and if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see this R 4.0.5 has been rightly downloaded over here, and you can clearly see the file size is 44.4 MB. To install R, you need to first simply double click on this installation file, and now after giving administrative privileges, let us first simply minimize my download directory, and after giving administrative privileges you will be seeing this pop up. So it's currently telling that to select a language. So it's have automatically selected this English language. If you want to change any other language, then you can do that. In this video I am going to simply select this English language, and then just simply click on OK. This will automatically going to open this all language license agreement and all. You can read this, but now I am just simply going to click on next. Now this is going to be your installation destination, that is the C program files r/r-4.0.5. If you want to change your installation destination, then you need to just simply click on browse, and you can change that. And you need to have at least 2.5 MB of free disk space to install R. So what I'll be doing is I'll be keeping this all default, and then just simply click on next. Now these are the files that going to be installed, that is these core files, then 32-bit files and for 64-bit files. So if you are using 32-bit operating system, then you need to just simply uncheck these 64-bit files, and you can just simply proceed with 32-bit files. And or if you are just simply using 64-bit files, then you can just simply uncheck this 32-bit files. And then they also going to be installed these message translations. So just simply keep this checked, and you can clearly see that you need to have 155.6 MB of free disk space in your C directory. This is very important, guys. You need to have this much amount of free space in your C directory. So do check that, and after keeping this, just simply click on next. Now it's telling that whether we'd like to customize the startup options. So right now I don't want to do any such thing, so just keep this all default, and then just simply click on next. Now they're going to create a new directory by naming R. So just simply keep this all default, and then just simply click on next. Now in here I would like to create a desktop shortcut. So for that I just want to create check this create a desktop shortcut, and similarly I would also like to create a quick launch shortcut. So just simply check that, and then just simply click on next. So this will automatically going to start installing R programming language in your Windows 10 operating system, and as I have mentioned earlier, the version is 4.0.5. So it will take some time, maybe a couple of minutes, so for which I'll be coming back after installing R. So we'll come back. And now as you can clearly see, our R has been rightly installed. So just simply click on finish, and you can clearly see that our R desktop shortcut has also been created over here. And now we need to install RStudio. This is very important, guys. So for that, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser and just simply open a new tab and just simply type RStudio download for Windows. Now we'll be seeing this search result called www.rstudio.com is basically our first search result. So you need to just simply click on this to download the RStudio IDE. So what you just done is you just simply installed R programming language. Now we are basically installing RStudio, which is basically an IDE. In that IDE, what we are going to do is we are just simply code. So IDE basically means this integrated development environment. So I'll be showing you that, but for the time being you need to just simply scroll down a bit, and in here you'll be seeing this RStudio for desktop, and also there are some other options like RStudio Desktop Pro and RStudio Server and also RStudio Server Pro. Now if you want to use for commercial purposes, then you need to simply proceed with these links. You need to buy for that RStudio. But in this video I'm going to use for learning purpose only. So for that just simply click on download. This will automatically going to redirect you to this section. So here you can clearly see this RStudio Desktop 1.4.11.06 is basically our latest version. So you need to click on this download RStudio for Windows button, and this will automatically going to start downloading RStudio version 1.4.1106. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it. And if I just simply if I just minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see RStudio 1.4.1106 has been rightly downloaded over here, and you can clearly see the file size is 148 MB. So now that RStudio has been rightly downloaded, to install just simply double click on it, and let's first simply minimize my download directory. You need to also give administrative privileges in the meantime. And now you can clearly see this RStudio setup wizard has been rightly open. So just simply click on next. This is going to be your installation destination, that is the C program files RStudio. So this is where RStudio is going to be installed, and you can clearly see you need to have 903 MB free disk space in your C directory. Currently I have 53.2 gigabytes of free space in my C directory. So you need to have this much amount of free disk space. And if you want to change your installation destination, then you can also do that by simply clicking on this browse button. And now just simply click on next. So they're basically going to create this RStudio folder. So keep this all default, and then just simply click on install. So this will automatically going to start installing RStudio. It will take some time, maybe a minute or two. So for which I'll be again coming back after installing RStudio. Yeah. So welcome back, and now as you can clearly see, our RStudio setup has been rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. And now you need to simply go to this search icon, and in here if you just simply type RStudio, you'll be seeing this RStudio Desktop app. So just simply click on that to open your RStudio IDE. So your RStudio IDE has been rightly open. So just simply maximize it. Before that you need to answer this question. So may we upload cache report to RStudio automatically? So just simply click on yes, so that RStudio can improve their software. So and now this is basically your RStudio IDE. So in here you are basically going to code. Now let us first clear this up. So for that just simply click on this edit, and then just simply click on clear console. You can also press Ctrl L in your keyboard. So your console has been rightly clear. In here you can do simple R programming. So let's print hello world in our console. So like just simply type print and then let's say hello world. Then quote going to false. Yeah, then enter, and then you'll be seeing this hello world has been rightly shown in our console. That is basically this hello world. So in this way you install RStudio in your Windows 10 operating system. I have rightly shown you how to install R language and also RStudio. So that's basically all about this video. I have this website called geekyscape.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geekyscape.com. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like and do share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.